Hi, I'm Tago. I'm a product manager for the Pure E family, and today I'm going to talk to you about how direct flash is making disk obsolete. At Pure, we've been on a quest for the all-flash data center since we were founded in 2009. We all know that flash is better than disk on every single dimension. It's more economical with lower power and space requirements. It's more sustainable, generating less e-waste and consuming less energy. It is more reliable with lower failure rates, fewer trips to the data center to replace parts, and just simpler to operate in every single way. The obstacle for deployment of flash in the data center has always been cost. So let's look at a history of flash in the data center. Over the past decade, the cost of hard drive arrays has gone down slightly, but the real story is in what flash has done. When we launched in 2009, people thought that replacing hard drives with disk in the data center was just crazy. At the time, it only made sense for the most important of workloads because the difference in price between hard drives and flash was pretty big. Over time, that price difference has got smaller and smaller. And this year, in 2023, finally we're at the point where flash makes sense for all workloads. And that's with the introduction of the Pure E family. But let's look at where we're going from here on. Let's look at a story of density. When you boil it down, the primary advantage that flash has over hard drives and what makes this so compelling is the density advantage. While hard drives are in this trajectory of getting only slightly better over time, looking at density, they started here where we are today at maybe 10 terabytes per module. With direct flash, the story is completely different. We have already announced a module that's 75 terabytes in size. With the 75 terabytes, we have 7 times the density, 7 times the efficiency, 7 times less space than a competitor hard drive array. But it keeps getting better. We're already talking about 150 terabyte modules. We're already talking about 300 terabyte modules. We've already reached a crossover point with Pure E and 75 terabyte modules. You can only imagine how much better it's going to get once we deliver on 150, 300, and even bigger modules compared to those hard drives that are still stuck trying to put lasers on their platters. With Pure E, the era of the all-flash data center is here. Thanks for watching.